Alex Tubio. Welcome back to my channel. If you could please like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Today we are here with Peter, who has been having some lower back issues. Well, not anymore as well. He had low back issues a few weeks ago. I've been treating him for a few times now. He's doing a lot better. But I want to show you guys what we go through with an adjustment, what he goes through with an adjustment. It's a little bit different. So you guys want to stay here, stay tuned in. So let's get started. Alright, so any tightness?
Yeah, it's still tight down there.
It's a little tight? Okay.
Since I'm in the back.
Okay. So let's get you face down here, see what's going on with you. I'm glad it held up though.
Surprisingly.
Yeah. Scoot down towards your feet a little bit.
Good.
Yep, look up a little bit there. Good. Scoot down a little bit more. And then bring your arms up a little more like this. Just like that. So we did take x-rays on Peter. His x-rays, a lot of this lower lumbar spine do go to this right side like this. And when they are going to this right side, there's a lot of tension that does hold on this right side of the spine through here. You can feel that, right?
Yep.
Does that hurt?
Nope.
Okay. And then on this left side is a little, so whenever I'm pressing in through the musculature through here, this right side is a lot tighter to the touch than it is to this left side. And then also with him, his right hip is shorter going down this way. So we're going to be adjusting this hip, pushing it up this way, but also addressing this curvature through here also. All right, so I'm going to position you in a different way. I'm going to push you like this, tilt you, turn you, move you like that. So I'm pushing him like this because I want to straighten out this spine a lot more before I actually adjust it. I'm going to adjust this right lower side here first, Pete. Peter actually just turned 21 the other day.
Shut up.
So if y'all could wish him a happy birthday, go on Instagram, Peter Chow. He is the Evil Genius's manager, by the way. Famous. All right. Right here one more time. Good. So a lot of the structures in this lumbar spine are rotated to the left. The transverse process on this right side through here is rotated and pushing upwards. So I'm going to be pushing back down this way. One more time. This way. Good. On your side, this side up, other way. Get up. Just turned 21, but you broke like a 4-year-old. 4. Then
Mary, sleep with your eyes open. Live.
Oh! Good. Hold tight like this. Actually, interlock your fingers like this a little bit more. Interlock it like this. Put your fingers like this.
Like this?
Yep. Then put that over there. I'm gonna do something different. And turn. You can already hear that starting to move. You'll be adjusting this right side here. Good. Awesome. That was good. On the other side.
Same thing, or?
No, I'm going to have you cross your arms like you normally do here. Just like this. I think you need some taller pants.
What?
I'm going to adjust right here. Good. On your back. So whenever somebody has like their pants are like really down for where their hips are.
In your belt.
Yeah. All right. Let me see this right here.
Lost my other belt. Can't do it.
So we're gonna adjust on this left side with Peter. Sometimes, you know, whenever chiropractors do some adjustments, they might look almost like we're doing the same thing, but we're really not, because we're actually going on different segments, doing different spots. They're just different moves that are a lot easier for the movement to actually take place. So for him, this is a little bit easier than actually pushing down on him and punching him in the back. I'm sure he appreciates it too.
Definitely.
Yeah. We're gonna go right here. Press down right between this T10, T12 region here. Good. Good. Put your hands on your stomach. So I'm going to adjust a couple of things. So with Peter, his atlas is rotated to the right. So I'm going to be addressing this left side to help push that atlas back the opposite way. But I'm also going to adjust this lower portion of Peter around the C6, C7 region too. Tilt this way. Relax a little bit more. Good. And then we're going to go right through this atlas right here. I'm going to be addressing, we're going to go a little bit more directional that way. Good. Good. How's a big one? Good. All right, go ahead and stand up now.
Stand up.
Yep, stand up. See how that felt?
It's good. Like the light.
A lot lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah, that whole thing. Yeah, especially, I mean, Peter does a lot of editing, a lot of photography stuff, a lot of managing. So whenever he is, especially with people that are on the computer a lot, they'll have to sit down, and when that happens, there's a lot of tension that goes right between the cervical thoracic junction, right where this atlas region, this occipital junction, but also that lower back. So huge points for him. A big reason as to why he was also having a lot of the back problems, besides doing some other stupid stuff. But actually, he wasn't doing anything stupid. But anyways, so now we're going to do the flexion distraction table on him. I think it's been really helpful. Honestly, it's actually got him a lot better from the first time he came in to now, even now. Ready?
Okay, I guess.
Let me bring this up. All right, grab those handles in front of you and then pull down like we did on this one. All right, so Peter's spine, his lower lumbar spine, is rotated going this way. So I want to take out the rotation first before we do the actual stretch on him. So we're straightening up this spine, opening up the rest of the joints in through here too. You ready?
Sure.
How does that feel?
Better.
Yeah? Compared to the first time you came in?
A lot better.
A lot better? You were hurting pretty bad.
Couldn't walk.
Yeah.
That was scary. Felt like you for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Old.
Old. I'm going to press right here and just stretch this out this way. Does that hurt at all?
Nope. It's tight.
All right. How you feel?
Better.
Better?
Not tight from the airplane flight.
Yeah.
So,
Are you stretching and everything too?
I do.
Okay.
Every time I go before I go to bed.
Okay. Let me see one thing with you. Go on your back. One more time. All right. We're all set. Stay right there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do the outro. All right. Ready? All right. All right, guys. So thank you guys for watching, tuning in to watching Peter get adjusted. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment or contact me at Dr. Tubio on Instagram or even on Facebook. Until next time, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe again. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.